All right, you guys. It'll be in the title, but I can't even pronounce.
Say Assateague.
What?
Assateague.
Ansing?
Assateague.
I can't pronounce that. It's we're in. You don't need to look at the camera. Just what is it?
Assateague.
Ansing. Okay.
National Park.
National Park. Okay, in Maryland. We're gonna walk out here. It's $25 for a 7-day pass. We might go to a baseball game tomorrow. Go see the Oreo cookies play. Right. Here we are. A little windy. Yesterday the ocean was very angry.
Oh. That's putting it mildly.
A lot of wild horses. We saw a couple while we were coming in. It was kind of cool. So one was walking middle of the road. So here we are.
Right next to you.
Yep.
Oh, look at him. Into the food. Oh my gosh.
Look at that. Not surprised. Stupid. Right there.
Kind of like the people with the buffalo.
Yep. That's right. Keep them wild. So we are. That's the name of the. I think we can kind of tell right there. But, all right. Here we go. So, all right. Look at this. Take a picture. All right. Yeah. Yeah. We come back.
Okay.
We get back.
Sure.
We use both cameras to get back. So here we go. You can hear the ocean. A lot of people turn around right away. Turn around because it's $25. You turn around. But maybe go to the visitor center on the way back. You can walk out to here. Kicking, biting, and shoving part of the normal wild horse's behavior. Let's see. Yeah, yesterday was very windy. Ocean looks a little angry over here, but we're coming over there. We saw the horses way back there, like about 6 of them back there. It's kind of cool.
How many did she say were around here?
200, I think, or something like that. The water is awful cold too as well.
Maybe there was a reason I didn't take a shower and do my hair before we left.
Come on out here and walk around out here, I guess. And glad I brought my spec jacket. Want to head back? Want to head back?
It's gorgeous though.
Yeah, I know. Great day for kite flying. Yep.
And way down there.
Yep.
Even Andy, she's pretty.
Yep. Kind of like virgin sand here.
Mm-hmm. Do you want me to drive in case we see horses and we can take some pictures? Or
Sure.
video?
Sure.
Since I got some already.
Yep. Here you go.
Wow. Rare that I drive on vacation. Rare.
Rare form. Yep. The parts of America we don't get a chance to see.
Where people would find this boring.
Right. Well, yeah, we'd probably it's boring. I think it's cool.
Very cool. That they
So.
built this to.
Yep. Play for the wild horse to hang out, get in trouble, have some fun. But we'll cruise on down for the next one. So if we came in, there was like 4 or 5 horses or more, and one of my right by my door. I should have jumped out and jumped on top of it and went for a horse.
Try to pet it.
And try to pet it, reach out. Hi, I'm a YouTuber. Can I have
Let's
any?
do a selfie.
Oh God, but it was kind of cool. But all right, you guys. Good enough.